Hello. Today we are going to use must and mustn't to express obligation. Now, let's introduce some rules. You must do your homework. You mustn't eat in class. You see, you must do your homework. You are obliged to do your homework. You need to do, or you have to do, your homework. You mustn't eat in class. We don't eat in class. You're not allowed to eat in class. You mustn't. So you mustn't eat in class. Now look at these pictures. Look at the picture and read the text. I can't score a goal. You must practice more often. I can't score a goal. You must practice more often. If you can't score a goal, if you are unable to score a goal, if scoring a goal is difficult for you, then you have to practice more often. You need to practice more often. You must practice more often. You're obliged to practice more often. You see, must here expresses obligation. Now read the text and move and look at this picture. Look at the second picture. He can't see the ball. He can't see the ball. He must wear his glasses. Here is another picture. We can't run fast enough. We must go running more often. We can't run fast enough. We must go running more often. If we can't run fast enough, if we are too slow, then we must practice running more often. We must go running more often. Here is another picture. They can't play tennis. They must wait until it stops raining. If they want to play tennis, they must wait. You see? Now look at these signs and say what you must do and mustn't do. Here is a sign. Here is the rule. Here is the rule. You mustn't dive in the swimming pool. This sign means you mustn't dive in the swimming pool. Here are other rules. Now you need to complete these sentences. It is the first one. Here is the second. And here is the third. Now, what does each rule here mean? We have 3 rules and we have 3 sentences. Now look at the signs and say what you must and mustn't do. Number 1. We have you and we have wear shoes in the pool area. The second sentence, you, and we have eat in the swimming pool. The third, you, and wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. Now to the first one. You mustn't wear shoes in the pool area. So it's number 1. Number 1. You mustn't wear shoes in the pool area. Number 2. You, and we have eat in the swimming pool. Yes, it's the second sign, the second rule. So you mustn't eat in the swimming pool. You mustn't eat in the swimming pool. Number 3. You must wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. You're obliged to wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. It's necessary. Now, let's move to the activity number 10. Write and complete the sentences. Here, use must or mustn't plus the verb in brackets. We have here Jawad wants to be a professional tennis player. He be fit and strong. He practice every day to improve his skills. He learn to control the ball. He eat a healthy diet. He eat unhealthy foods. He go to bed early. He stay up too late. Now we need to complete the sentences. Jawad wants to be a professional tennis player. To be a professional, in order for Jawad to be a professional tennis player, he needs to respect some rules. What must he do and what mustn't he do? Jawad has to be fit and strong. Jawad or he, yes. Jawad must be fit and strong. Yes. He wants to be a professional tennis player. He must be fit and strong. He practice every day to improve his skills. He needs to practice every day. He has to practice every day. So he must practice every day to improve his skills. So you need to, you see, after must, the verb doesn't take an S. You see, we say he practices, but after must, we say he must practice. He must be, not he is, not he must is. No, he must be. So we have the infinitive or the bare infinitive after the modal must. He must be fit and strong. He must practice. He must practice every day to improve his skills. He, and we have here, learn to control the ball. He must learn to control the ball. He, and we have eat healthy diet. Yes, he has to eat a healthy diet, or he must eat a healthy diet. This is another rule. He, unhealthy food. Unhealthy food is bad, so he needs to avoid eating unhealthy food. He doesn't have to, he mustn't, yes, he mustn't, that's it, he mustn't eat unhealthy food or foods. He go to bed early. He must go to bed early. He mustn't stay up too late. Staying up too late is not good. It's bad. So he mustn't stay up too late. Now here is another activity, number 11. Write what you must and mustn't do. Now you can do this homework by yourself. Here is an example. Number 1. Eat in the swimming pool. Eat in the swimming pool. You mustn't eat in the swimming pool. Talk in the library. Complete these, write your own sentences using must or mustn't. Talk in the library, we can say you mustn't talk in the library. So do the rest. And thank you for your attention.